wasn't very athletically inclined, but
in the event, I'm hosting his show, The Jeff Richards Show.
oh, did you?
It's my show, but I'm never there. It's my
It's
Jimmy
good
Fallon.
What do you want to tell the people? You know, you want to tell the people something? You want to plug something? What do you want to tell them?
I think Jimmy Fallon, I think you should really...
What and where, you said?
Yeah. What and where?
So what inspires me? Okay, what inspires me?
How big was it?
Obviously a huge fan of Zach, and you know that stupid saying where they always say, you know, there's no second accent.
You know, they still have pizza. You know, it's still New York. You know,
Pizza.
you look like a fire hydrant, man.
They're effervescent beauty.
You ready to?
Times. So.
Oh yeah, man. Yeah, you do kung fu, don't you? That's how long you been catering card.
Yeah, well, you got
Extrasensory perception. I got into composing and arranging and
It's my show.
killing it for you, boy. Killing it.